Well, I'm about to do some intricate paper cutting, the most complex I've done yet. And I happened to run across this jig to sharpen blades, not scalpel blades, but X-Acto blades. So I was going to give it a shot. I can't really guarantee how well it works because I've only used it a couple of times, but it's kind of creative. You take your X-Acto knife and place it on here, and it gives you the correct angle when it sets on this portion right here. So you can see that if I put it on here and shove it forward, then it fits flush right on this surface, and then gives you the proper angle, supposedly. Assuming I'm using it correctly, if I put it in here like this, I can raise the back end of it up, and then it makes the blade parallel with that stone, and I can push it like this to sharpen it, and then I can flip it over, and again it registers on that surface for the proper angle, and I can lift the back up and drag the blade back and keep the angle consistent. So I thought this was kind of cool. Hopefully it works out, because I go through 60 or 70 blades for one cutting. I just like to try to save some money if possible. So this thing kind of looks like this. You can see how it lifts up. And then this swivels here to achieve the proper angle. And it also came with another adapter like this, that I assume is for the larger handle blades, like this one. So it fits in here like this to get the proper angle. So anyways, I thought it was pretty cool. Hopefully it works out as well as it seems, because it sure would save me a bundle of money.